Okay, so I have this little guy here. Look at him. He's sitting like, I know who's my mama is. Do you even knew mama? Yes, you do. But you're gonna be an outside dog. I'm carrying him with a plastic because he has fleas. But anyway. MamaDee's reading nook is coming together, okay? So I just had that made. Finally, we had one made, but it was horrible, and I had to find someone else to remake it, and they made it. Just need to put handles in there, but now I have my new light. Have my new light, and yeah, it's coming. Look at the sun, how it's hitting it. So let me see, I'm gonna be able to. Okay, Ngoskakhulu. I'm already doing content. But anyway, so yeah, this is gonna be my spot, my sunset spot. My sunset spot here. This is gonna be my sunset spot. I can fit here, I can sleep here. This is my space only. I know who else is going to take it. Kit, this is not your spot. I love you, sweetie. I don't mind sharing this with you. I don't mind sharing it with you. Look at that. It's big enough for both of us. I told them it better be able to carry the weight. But anyway, there's Mr. Lala living. And that guy is so good, very good, very, very good, very nice guy, and want him to get a lot of business. I need to go comment right now on Facebook. But anyway, things are coming together. And I'm grateful. I'm really grateful because for a second there, things didn't look good. And they're coming together now, so that makes me happy. You know, for a second, things were getting really scary here. With the baseboards, with the, like the wall cladding for downstairs, things were getting really scary, but they're finally coming together, and I'm so grateful for that. I just need to touch up some things here. I just saw, like, we'll have a lot of iron work that we need to touch up, but that's gonna be my husband's job. But yeah, like this is gonna be me and my husband or my daughter. I'm gonna be sitting here. No sons will be allowed here. Right here. No sons. I'm kidding. I don't mind sharing my space with my kids at all. I really don't. So, but yeah, this is so comfortable, guys. I just need cushions now. Skara cushions are so expensive here in this country. $50 pretty much, that's the standard price, at least at Choreographed. I don't know what else I can buy Skara cushions that's gonna be reasonable, or maybe I need to go to a place where I can find some materials and have the old lady there in the town make it for me. But yeah, guys, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? The guy has fleas. I'm going to town to get him medicine. Hello. Hello. Hold on, come. Hold on, come. Let's go. Isa, come. Somebody's licking my toes. Your food is there. Come, let me show you your food. Okay, so this is the main kitchen. Literally, this is the wall for the stove, and this is the wall for the fridge. And these are the only walls involved in the main kitchen. And then we have an island. And then this is the mudroom. The wall is as straight can be. And this is the pantry. We're gonna move all the stuff out of here. But as you can see, the walls are very straight. And what else is a concern? This is the pajama lounge area wall. Again, very straightforward. Nothing is a ghost. This is where we're gonna have one of the vanities. Again, tiled, straight, and those guys were, I mean, unbelievable in terms of making sure that everything is level. Again, another bathroom tiled, straight walls, perfect. Another bathroom, and again, straightforward, nothing, like special. This is the main bath here. Again, those guys were perfect. Like, this is perfection. And this is the last bathroom here. Again, straightforward. Jonga ke bhuti benifuna ukubonisa nje le lantuka le nto abafanele abayenze ngayo man. Like literally andiyazi ba like yintoni ebangele uba bangazisusi ezinto bemele uba baye batshizila ezi zinto and then ke ngoku bafake ezinto so that this thing looks nice. Yazi uphela sonwabe like yinto abayenzileyo apha basically. Like I would understand if mhlambi bezame ukujoyina kule nto bangave sebabeke ngaphezulu nje into ibukeke ibenyeke. I don't understand. Analo bebezame uyenza na abakwazi or what happened that she yonke loo nto injalo. Like I don't know. Like I honestly don't know what the deal was here. Ndifuna ukubonisa le nto bayenzileyo umsebenzi wabo unyekenyeke gqithi man. Unyekenyeke gqithi. I'm sorry to say that. And ask Baba, what can we do here? Because this doesn't match my house. Yeah, ezinye izinto looks like they're not even level. Ezinye izinto xa uzijonga up, ingathi ziyehla this way. Is your uncle more like your brother? Is your brother, your booty, washing you? Oh, are you getting your first bath, huh? Huh? Are you getting your first bath? Are you getting Are you getting your first bath? Indamo nesisu esilithi.
Mama sipho.
Yabona ke xa uzisapha elanken esalon bayazicheba nezo nzipho. But ke we need this guy to have amazipho. Funeka ndifuna into elithi engathi liyeza uyeva elanuka esizamane siyiqaba apha emqolo. Are you having your first bath? Yes you are. Yes you are. Bayalungiselela uhamba ngibagqibile. Anikakorobhi laa nto kayama nawe nifake isephu nizayithini nizayichithela ngamanzi. Okay, nangu lo mnyango ufuna ufakelwa sowunomgubasi, nangu omnye, okay, sowunomgubasi, nali cango linida ii-hinges of course and funeka phaya emgubasini ukhathe for ii-hinges. Then kufuneka ufake ezilanduka apha kuthiwa zintoni ezi-latches apha, and that's it. Then ufika ufuna umsetyenzana omncinci. Kukho le nto ndiyifakileyo apha kuthiwa i-baseboard. Le baseboard ifuna ufakwa kule ndawo kugqikezelwe nje le ndawo straight up. That's it. Yabona injani apha but khasiyifake phaa so ifuna ugqikezelwa nje. Oh my God, this dog. Look at it. I was wondering where it was. I hope you didn't pee on my carpet. Look at him. You went to sleep on my carpet. I did buy a carpet for the bathroom. Maybe that's what I should just take out for him. But come, you need to be on this side. You shouldn't be. You already peed, guys. I'm not kidding you. He peed. That's him right there. Oh my gosh. Isa, I did wash him. The fleas are gone. Come, hey. Isa, Lion. That's his name. Lion. Lion, is that comfortable? I need that for myself, by the way. Oh my gosh. Oh, dogs are evil. You know why I say that? Because they know how to get to you. They know how to get to you. I guess that's why guys that play girls are called dogs. Are you playing me? Lion, Lion, Isa, Lion, Isa, Isa, Lion, Isa, Lion, Isa. No putting man, Lion. Isa, Isa, come, come, Lion. This is my bedroom mat. This is all the mat I have in this house. Isa, I know it's comfortable. By the way, when you're funa bed, because I was assuming that he'd stay with me inside at least until I go back to America, and I couldn't find it, and so I got him a toy, which is, where's the toy? Ibi toy yak. I got him a toy. Nantia. I got him a toy. So lo mntana lo bendithengisela. Nangehleka xa uthinja. Thinja 10 million toys. Yinjomlungu. Uyinjomlungu wena? Uyinjomlungu ndiyaxoka man. Ndifuna like mna ndakhula nezinja, so izinja ndiyazithanda umthetho lo wam. Nansi toy yakho. Actually bedlala ngayo earlier, but I think uyozela because utyile iwari yam mama katu endlini nam because seyichamile. Ndixelela nguye lo. But fortunately uchame cardboardini, but and then he stepped here. Look at his little paws. And finally ndithatha a picture of that and put it on the wall. Oh, anyway, I'm a sucker for dogs. So these are the boxes. I haven't opened them. I think the door is like 1.5. Oh my gosh. Miseni. Jonga misendala. Okay. Genan. Yebo. Please, bekele ngubeni. Azihlangu sikaVito. 1, 2. Oh, nalo Thixo wami qephuka khawulezani misendala. 1, 2, 3. Okay, finally, after 5 hours of unloading, finally have cabinets. Wow. We finally have cabinets, and like the whole entire house is full of cabinets. There's my slab. This is the biggest slab I've ever seen, and guess what? We've already unloaded most of the things in their own rooms. See, have some over there. We have some over here. The entire bathroom is full. And then upstairs, galore again. All the cabinets are here. No more complaining about cabinets. This slab, oh my. Ow, 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 ow. Where's your toy? Ipi toy. Ipi toy. Wow, wow. Oh, yeah, I have no idea where it is. Okay, maybe you wanna go pee? Is a social up room? This is looking for meat. I mixed a little bit of meat there because he doesn't want to eat the food. And now he's been literally digging for the meat and it's gone. But the food is still there. I guess we all love meat, naturally. There's a lion coming. There's a lion coming. There's a lion coming. There's a lion coming. There's a lion. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, he's a good boy. I know. Good morning. Look at him. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Lion. Good morning. Okay, so this is what I love about having a dog. Look at him. He's a few weeks old and yet he's welcoming me. No one else is welcoming me. That's what I love about having a dog.